User research and methods. User research is a process of understanding the needs, behaviors, and preferences of users to inform the design of products, services, or experiences. The goal of user research is to create products that meet the needs and expectations of the target users, and to identify potential problems or opportunities for improvement. User research typically involves several methods and techniques, which may include surveys. A survey is a questionnaire that is distributed to a sample of users to collect information about their attitudes, behaviors, and preferences. Interviews. Interviews involve speaking with individual users to understand their experiences, needs, and goals. Observations. Observations involve watching users interact with a product or service to understand their behavior, preferences, and pain points. Usability testing. Usability testing involves testing a product or service with real users to identify usability issues and gather feedback for improvement. Focus groups. Focus groups involve bringing together a group of users to discuss their experiences, opinions, and ideas about a product or service. Card sorting. Card sorting is a technique where users group and organize information into categories to inform the information architecture and navigation of a product or service. A/B testing. A/B testing involves testing two or more versions of a product or service with different user groups to determine which version is more effective or preferred. Through user research, designers can gain insights into the needs and behaviors of their target users, and use that information to inform their design decisions. By understanding the user's needs and preferences, designers can create products that are more effective, usable, and satisfying for their intended audience. There are various methods of user research that can be used to gain insights into the needs, behaviors, and preferences of users. Some of the most common methods are surveys. Surveys involve asking a set of questions to a sample of users to gather quantitative data about their attitudes, behaviors, and preferences. Interviews. Interviews involve speaking with individual users to understand their experiences, needs, and goals in more depth than a survey. Focus groups. Focus groups involve bringing together a small group of users to discuss their experiences, opinions, and ideas about a product or service. User testing. User testing involves observing users as they interact with the product or service to identify usability issues and gather feedback for improvement. Ethnographic research. Ethnographic research involves observing users in their natural environment to understand their behavior and context of use. Card sorting. Card sorting is a technique where users group and organize information into categories to inform the information architecture and navigation of a product or service. Analytics. Analytics involves collecting data on how users interact with a product or service, such as click-through rates, time on task, and conversion rates. Each method has its own strengths and weaknesses and may be more suitable for certain types of research questions or objectives. The choice of method will depend on factors such as the research question, the target audience, and the available resources. Thanks for watching.